Hi everyone, my name is Gideon Besaidnot and I am an application engineer for Micrographics. Today we're going to have a look at how to create views in AutoCAD and how to generate those specific views that you've created onto the drawing environment. In this video you'll see that I've already opened up a drawing, and now we want to generate specific views at specific places that we can use on the paper and just paste in that views. Let's have a look. You'll notice I've already got AutoCAD open, and I already opened just a simple drawing over here. To create your own view sections, you'll have to go to your View tab, and under your named views, you'll see there's a tab that says New View. This is where you can create your new view if you only want to view a specific section of your created sketch. Let's have a look. Create new view. For instance, let's say we want to have a look only at the nook. In this instance, we have to create a name. I'm gonna call it nook. The view type, it's gonna be stilled, and your boundary. Do you want to have the current display or define a specific place? When you create a specific view type, you actually want to define the window. I'm going to select the define window. You'll notice the change in the display on AutoCAD, so you can actually just zoom in, and then you're going to drag a small window across of the specific view you want to see and have a detailed view of. I'm gonna click on it, drag my window, press enter, and now I have that specific view that I've just created. I'm gonna press OK. Now that view has been generated. You can create multiple views. I'm gonna create another view, and I'm gonna call this primary bedroom. I'm gonna do the same thing, define a window. I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna drag a window. I'm gonna press enter. I'm gonna press OK. You'll notice that you can create as many views as what you like to create. There's not a specific quantity or any specific settings you need to change, and you can create your own primary views. I'm going to create another view, for instance, and I'm just going to call, in this instance, called left side of the house. I'm going to define a window. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I am going to drag a window on the left side of the house. Press enter. I'm going to say OK. Now I've got 3 views that I have generated. If we go to our drawing sheet, you'll see there's a viewport that's active. I'm just going to delete that viewport by selecting it and deleting it. Now when we go over to the layout, you'll notice that we've got an option for insert view. If we click on the insert view, notice the 3 views that I've actually just created. I'm going to select the left side of the house, and I can actually place that specific view directly into the drawing sheet, and I can do this with all the views that I have created. Now I want to change this one's scale. I want this to be 120. Create this, scale this to be 120. And just to make sure all the scales are the same of the viewport, 120, 130, that's fine. Now I'm going to move this viewport and just move this viewport up. And now I've got all the created views that I've just created is on a single paper, and you can also change the different scales that's dependent on that viewport and do your annotations or your dimensions as needed or required, or if you only wanted to see the specific view of a specific point of your created drawing. And that's as easy as it gets, creating your own different views. If you have any more questions, you're more than welcome to contact us, and thank you for watching.